today we are going to start a new playlist, a new series of our Edexcel syllabus. Okay, we are going to cover the whole Edexcel mathematics, Edexcel IGCSE. Okay, firstly I'm going to give you, in this video I'm going to give you a quick review, like some basic knowledge of what is Edexcel and how many papers are there and what syllabus we are going to follow. So just like we have ONE levels for the Cambridge CAIs, so we have Edexcel by Pearson, and in this the syllabus that we are going to cover would be for IGCSE, okay, International GCSE. So in this, for the mathematics, we have two papers. Their paper code is 4MA1. The main code for the mathematics is this, but we have two tires in it. Okay, one is foundation tire, it's an easy one, and the other is higher tire. And that is a little bit difficult. So for these two we have like two papers for each. There are two papers for foundation tire. The paper code is 4MA1/1F and 4MA1/2F. So two papers, okay. And for the higher tire as well, we have two codes, 4MA1/1H and 4MA1/2H. So first we'll follow the syllabus, we'll cover the main topics, and then we'll do the topical past papers, and then at the end of this all we will do the practice of past papers as well. Okay, so this is the basic information about your Edexcel IGCSE. Now I want to show you a few documents, the syllabus, the books, and the papers. So let's go back to our I'll share this drive link with you later on when we'll do the notes, and everything else will be over here. See, let's see the syllabus. This is the syllabus given on the Pearson Edexcel site for IGCSE. Okay, see, your paper code is given over here for MA1, and I will just quickly move on to the relevant thing. You can read this whole document on your own to get to know about what is Pearson Edexcel. Okay, content summary is this. See, you have these four topics, main topics: numbers, algebra, geometry, and statistics. So, and the rest of the thing is also given, like 50% weightage of each paper. 50% for MA1/1F or 1H, and 50% for MA1/2F paper. This is for the higher tire. Okay, now these are the main topics for the foundation tire and higher tire. You can see the topics are just same, but there will be a little, like some topics will be added, some subtopics will be in the higher tire that will not be in your foundation tire. So This is the whole list of topics and SLOs for the foundation tire. In the numbers topic, what we should know about algebra, geometry, and statistic, and then uh, this is the explained topics or the subtopics that are in each topic. So in the numbers and the number system, you'll be having integers, fractions, decimals, powers and roots, set language notation, percentages, ratio and proportion, degree of accuracy and standard form, applying number and electronic calculator. So everything that you should be needed is given in your syllabus. Then this is chapter 2, and every chapter with their subtopics is given over here. Okay, this is for the foundation tire, this whole thing. And now this is the higher tire list of topics, and see in the higher tire some things are from the foundation tire, and there are some topics that are different in the higher tire. So we'll cover all of these, and then you can decide by yourself which you are going to opt. If you are very good at maths, then you can do higher tire papers, and otherwise you can do the foundation tire. So you can see this whole document, you can read it, it's available on the Drive or on the Pearson website. So that's all about this. And now let me give you a quick view of our book, which we are going to follow to some extent. This is your book 1, okay, for your IGCSE. So you can refer to this book as well. And then we'll be having our second book, book 2. Sorry, this is book 2. Yeah, this is your book 2. So I'm quickly going through all these things. Like first 5 units are in book 1 and 6 to 10 units are in book 2. So this is all. The main topics are the same in each unit: numbers, algebra, then geometry. They have different names: graph, shape and space, but actually the four to five topics. Okay, see, this is your assessment objectives, how much time for one paper and how many marks. So these all things will matter later on when we are done with our syllabus. So these two are your books, you can refer to these as well. That's all about the Edexcel. So we'll start from, in the next video, the proper we'll start the mathematics syllabus from the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.